What is up, guys? Today we are going to be releasing who the winners were for the 500 subscriber giveaway. So I have you guys here on the video that I made for the giveaway, and looks like we got 83 comments, so almost all of those are probably entered. A few of them may be replies or something like that. So we have 83 people who entered, all these people. So we're going to go on to a random YouTube comment selector, and we're going to find out who's going to get the cash and who's going to get the one-on-one mentorship with me. One more thing is I'm going to leave my email somewhere on the screen right now. And if you guys really want mentorship from me and you didn't win it in this video, then you can email me and I'll figure something out for you, or I'll hook you guys up in some way, and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. So if you really need a mentorship or really want mentorship for Amazon FBA, then there's my email, and just talk to me and we'll figure something out. So here we are on the YouTube random comment picker website, and we are going to start by entering in the URL to the video and searching, and so we have 78 people who are entered in to win. Start raffle and pick random winner. So let's do the cash first, and that's going to be $100 cash through PayPal. And let's start it. Cross your fingers, and we will see who wins right now. And the winner is Salid Muhandi. I hope I said that right. He says, hope I get either best FBA videos on here. I highly appreciate it, but I don't see a email. So Salid, I hope I'm saying that right. Make sure you email me or find some way to contact me, either YouTube DM or email DM or Instagram DM, I don't care. So congratulations to you. All right, so now we are going to give away the mentorship, one-on-one mentorship with myself, and it's going to be for Amazon FBA, how to make your own business on it, and whatever else you guys need help with. So I would charge anywhere from probably $300 to $1,500 for this actual mentorship. So this is pretty cool, and if I were entering in this, I would probably rather win the mentorship, because it can make you a lot more money in the long run, obviously. So let's see who I'm going to be working with and mentoring, and the winner is going to be, cross your fingers, the winner is Barry Bennett. It says, good videos. I don't want to lose. I want to win. I can send my email address privately. So that's good, because I was actually going to talk about that in a little bit. And I don't want to lose. I want to win. That shows you that winning mindset actually does work. So Barry Bennett, you are going to have the one-on-one mentorship with myself. Email me. You have my email. Once again, I'm going to double check to make sure it's actually you, because I don't want random people saying that they're you and then they take it from me, which I won't let happen. So feel free to either email me, that's down below, or you can DM me on Instagram, that's down below, or you can DM me on YouTube. So any of those things are fine. And he said at the end, I can send the email address privately. So I wanted to say this at the end. I thought about it and I was like, probably not the best idea that everyone's emails are on here, just because I don't want random marketers to take your guys' emails and start sending you stupid crap. So I'm going to turn the comments off on the video now that the giveaway is over. That way all of your emails are no longer out there for everyone to see. So that is going to be it, basically. So those two guys, if you won, make sure you email me. I will be verifying to make sure it is you, so no one else is just trying to get free stuff and acting like they're you. And congratulations to both of you. And once again, I appreciate the everyone trying to win, and everyone commenting, and everyone liking the videos. I appreciate everyone watching the videos, everyone who subscribed. And I will be doing another one of these giveaways at 1,000 subscribers, which kind of makes me laugh a little bit, because I'm almost already there. So it's like, is my whole channel going to be giveaways? You know what I mean? Because it's kind of growing a little fast. So 1,000 subscribers, I think I'm going to give away 2 mentorships, maybe 3, who knows? Because a lot of people in the comments seemed like they wanted the mentorship a lot more than the money. So I figured might as well just do that instead. and we'll do that next time. So at 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway, same kind of deal, and we will figure it out. And once again, thank you guys for watching the video. So I will catch you guys in the next video, and hopefully the next one will actually be about Amazon FBA, because that's what the channel is about, not giveaways. So I will catch you guys later. See you in the next one.